Hey, thanks for the click. A while back, I made a video on a quick overview installing the Harbor Freight portable car Canopy. It was doing pretty good until we had some bad winds. There was actually a small tornado about 5 miles away. This is what we have. Now I could have trashed it, bought another one or different one, but before I did, I had to try to repair it. Just had to. I gathered all the damaged posts. It appears to my untrained eye that most posts were bent where there was a hole drilled for securing an S-hook or something. I picked up a repair kit I call 1 1/4 inch PVC and self-drilling screws. I used highly specialized tools such as a hammer, a 2x, and a large wrench big enough to go over the pipe, small enough to grab the PVC. My method is I would straighten the pipe, hammer down the high spots, cut about an 8-inch piece of the PVC, slide it over the pipe. It will slide easy until you hit the damaged area. At first I tried using the claw side of the hammer. I don't recommend this. Then I tried the hammer and wrench to force the pipe over the damaged area until it was pretty close to center over the damaged spot. It might help to mark where you want the sleeve to end up. With the repair sleeve in place, I then used self-drilling screws on each end of the sleeve into the pipe to keep it in place. Repeated this on all the damaged pieces. Some went easier than others. There was one pipe that actually broke at the splice. One end had to be ground down to fit inside the sleeve, but the rest of it was pretty much the same. I then reassembled the canopy like I did in the previous video. Except this time I used the screw down anchors at every post. We had another storm come through, though not as severe as the previous one. It still made quite the show. It had some winds, and the canopy is still canopying. Hope this helps someone. Thanks.